Welcome to the introduction to R course. We will discuss now how to open and close R and what tools are available from the pull down menu in R. So to open R, we double click the R icon. Here in the desktop, we already have the R icon from our previous installation. So if I double click this, we enter R. You can start R also by clicking R icon in the start menu. We can see that we have a window here called R console. Yeah. And to quit R, we can select from the pull down menu here at the top. If you select file, and right at the very end there is a menu to exit R. So if we click that, we will be asked whether we want to save the workspace image. So basically this question is asking us whether we want to save all the data that we have worked in R into a file. Okay, so for the time being, of course, because I'm not doing anything here, we click no. Yeah, so if we start R again, we can quit R from a command line. So because R works with command lines mostly, so we can type Q open bracket and close bracket, yeah, just to be visible for those of you who are using small screen. So it's Q open bracket and close bracket, and then you press enter. Okay, once you do that, you will be asked the same question again, but this time I just want to cancel it because we want to explore more the menu in R. As we can see here at the top, there are several menus options. This is File, Edit, View, Miscellaneous, Packages, Windows, and Help. So if we click File, we will see here in the pull down menu that menu File, we have some options related to the script, workspace, history, changing the directory, and exiting R, as we have seen previously. Now for the moment, the most important option is to change the working directory. When we are working in R, R will perform loading and /O, saving files to a working folder, a working directory. So since I'm using Windows, the default is my document folder. So if you click the menu, yeah, and then go to the option here, change dir, change directory, a dialog box will come out to select the directory you want to use as your working directory. So if you use memory stick, it will appear here as well, so you can work using R on your memory stick. Yeah. Since R can be run from a command line, to know your current working directory, you can use the command get wd. So here's the command, get wd, open bracket and close bracket, and if you press enter here, so get wd, open bracket, close bracket, and press enter, you can see that my working directory is in my documents folder. Now to change the working directory, you can use the command setwd. Yeah, so previously we used the menu, but if you want to do that from the command line, so we can type set wd and the name of the directory that are quoted. Yeah, so we can set the working directory and then press enter using that command line. Okay. Another menu that will be useful is the menu help. So if you go to the menu help, if you click it, it will give you some options related to help. Now the most important option is the HTML help option. Yeah, so here around halfway down the menu you will find this HTML help option. Once we click it, we will be directed to a page using our browser. So if I click this, right, so in my web browser now appear the help menu in R. The most relevant option in this page is the search engine and keywords menu. So if you go to the right here, there is a option of search engine and keywords. So if you click it, it will give you a box where you can type in, a keyword or any word that is related to the command that you are looking for. I use an example where I'm looking for the help page for mean, like mean is or average. So if I type mean in this box and then I click search, so the R help menu will give me a list, yeah, of functions in R that contain the keyword mean. I'm interested in the arithmetic mean. As you can see here, there is one result of arithmetic mean. So if I click this, right, it will give you the help page for a function called mean. Yeah, so the help page here shows the usage of the command, which is here mean open bracket x and some arguments, this, and then these arguments are elaborated further here in this section where it describes what x should be and what values can we put into the argument trim and what values we need to put into argument na.rm. And this help page also shows you what would be the output or the value of this function mean. Yeah, this help page also gives you some example where you can copy and paste this into our session. So if you copy here the whole examples in mean, if I copy that to an R console, it will show you the example of, or the usage example of that function. Okay, I hope you can understand how to find the help menu in R.